Hey there, welcome to our YouTube video on how to send multiple videos in Gmail reply on PC with the new update. Today, we'll walk you through the simple steps to make sharing videos even easier. Step 1. Open your Gmail. Make sure you're logged into your account before proceeding. Step 2. Click on Compose to start a new email. This will open up a new email window where you can compose your message. Step 3. Scroll down and click on Reply. Once you're in the reply window, click on the photo icon. This will allow you to attach files to your email. Step 4. Choose the videos you'd like to send and click Open. You can select multiple videos at once by holding down the Ctrl key while clicking on each video. Step 5. Write a note if you'd like. You can add a personalized message to accompany your videos. Step 6. Click on Send to send your email with the attached videos. Your recipients will then be able to view and download the videos directly from their Gmail inbox. And there you have it. Sending multiple videos in Gmail. Replies on PC is now easier than ever with these simple steps. Give it a try and let us know how it goes. Thanks for watching.